Hello, so we are from group 5 and we will sell our product and the name is Ngopsans. These are iced coffee milk with another variant that we will refuse to another. Thank you.
Okay, and the material is blender and mixer.
So there are the ingredients. This is coffee and this is sugar. And our main ingredients are the water and the ice.
So first thing first, we need to pour the water into the blender. After that, we need to pour the coffee powder into the blender gently. And don't forget to add sugar. After all the ingredient was poured, and we need to close the blender and mix all of it. After all the ingredient was mixed, we need to pour all the ingredient into the cup.
If you need some topping, we can add whipping cream.
Okay guys, this is it. Coffee milk with white cream.
So if you want to try our iced coffee milk, you can contact Natan, Shafira or me on 12 accommodation perhotelan.
Two.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.